Welcome back to Get Updated Now. So, if you're planning to skip the queue to check in your baggage, this is an easier way that Delhi Airport has introduced, and this is on Terminal 3, where you have different or several kiosks that you can use. And here you just have to follow the instructions, choose your flight. Several flights are available, or almost all the flights are available, and then all the languages are there, since several people from different countries are flying to India. And these are the things that are prohibited in the luggage, and whatever is permissible is mentioned here. You just have to accept after reading all the conditions, and it's simple. You just have to use your ID. So if you have your ticket reference number, your boarding card barcode, or your passport, which is what we all carry, and I just scan that here, and that's it. You'll get your boarding pass and all the check-in details, and then you'll get the tag as well, and you can drop your bag on the mentioned location. That's it. Thank you for watching.